Military training has always been crucial for the success of armies throughout history. Well-trained soldiers have a better chance of survival in battle. Training provides soldiers with the necessary skills to fight effectively. It also instills discipline and teamwork, essential qualities for any fighting force. From ancient times to the present day, commanders have understood the importance of preparing their troops for the challenges of war. Training helps soldiers master the use of weapons and tactics. It prepares them for the physical and mental demands of combat. Throughout history, the methods and techniques of military training have evolved alongside the development of new technologies and the changing nature of warfare. In ancient times, hand-to-hand combat was the norm. Soldiers trained extensively with swords, spears, and shields. They learned to fight in formations, such as the Greek phalanx. The phalanx was a tight formation of heavily armed infantry. Soldiers stood shoulder to shoulder, their shields interlocked. This formation provided a formidable wall of shields and spears. Roman legionaries were renowned for their discipline and training. They were masters of swordsmanship and could maneuver effectively in various terrains. Ancient military training emphasized physical strength, discipline, and the ability to follow orders swiftly. The Middle Ages saw the rise of knights and mounted warfare. Knights were heavily armored warriors who trained from a young age in horsemanship, swordsmanship, and chivalry. They engaged in jousting tournaments to hone their skills. Cavalry became a dominant force on the battlefield. The training of war horses was equally important. Horses were bred for strength and agility. They were trained to respond to commands and endure the chaos of battle. Medieval armies also included foot soldiers armed with pikes, bows, and crossbows. These soldiers underwent rigorous training to fight in coordinated formations. Section 4. The Gunpowder Revolution and its impact on training. The introduction of gunpowder in the late Middle Ages revolutionized warfare. Firearms, such as muskets and cannons, gradually replaced traditional weapons. Military training had to adapt to these technological advancements. Soldiers now needed to learn how to load, aim, and fire firearms effectively. The emphasis on close-order formations diminished as firearms had a longer range and greater killing power. Military training incorporated drills for musket volleys and artillery deployments. The development of standardized weapons and tactics led to more formalized military training. Section 5. Modern warfare. From industrialization to technology-driven training, the Industrial Revolution brought about mass production, enabling the manufacture of large quantities of weapons and ammunition. Armies grew in size, requiring more sophisticated training methods. Conscription became widespread, with citizens receiving basic military training. World War I saw the use of machine guns, tanks, and airplanes, transforming warfare. Military training had to keep pace with these technological advancements. Soldiers received specialized training in operating new weapons and equipment. The development of radar, sonar, and other technologies led to the emergence of new military specialties. Modern military training incorporates simulations, virtual reality, and sophisticated war games. Drones have become increasingly important in reconnaissance and combat operations. Soldiers undergo extensive training to operate these unmanned aerial vehicles. Military training today emphasizes adaptability, technological proficiency, and the ability to operate in a constantly evolving battlefield.